Hi everyone and welcome to VizCourse and welcome to my channel. My name's Claudio. I'm a 3D Arch Viz artist for the past 17 years. I've been running my own studio for 15 years and I've been tutoring one-on-one for the past 4 years. And in those 4 years, I've discovered my love and my passion to teach 3D. I've always envisioned and dreamed of a space where all students can come together and learn from one another, building a community of artists where we share the love of 3D. I understand the frustration of trying to learn 3D Max through YouTube and other platforms. Watching hours upon hours of videos and still not understanding can be very discouraging. But that's where my course comes in. I have designed this course to eliminate that frustration and to make learning 3D Max easy and enjoyable. As a self-taught artist, I know the frustration of watching countless hours of videos online and from all other platforms and needing to watch video after video to understand one simple topic. And when you need to pay for multiple courses to fully understand everything that is needed, it can be daunting. My course here covers everything you need. Everything in one course, which means you don't need anything else other than this course and me as your mentor. My course is designed for the beginners, for someone who has never opened up Max before, for individuals that have tried and failed and are getting the results that they want, or even for the person who has a little bit of knowledge and just struggling with 3D Max. I will teach you everything that you need to know. In the last 17 years of using this software, I will teach you everything that I do on a day-to-day basis so that you know what is expected from you as an artist even on your very first day. So it's easy for me to say, I'll teach you everything. What does that mean? I'm going to teach you about the navigation inside 3D Max, the viewport settings. We'll go through the menus as well as the menu tools such as mirror, array, align, the spacing tool. We'll understand copies, instances, and groups. We'll dive into the main toolbar and understand all the settings there. We will understand layers and how to use them. We'll go through the Create tab and we'll learn about the geometry and the splines. Then we'll have in-depth lessons on Edit Poly mode, where we will learn about the vertex, edge, border, polygon, and element mode. The Edit Spline mode has its own lessons dedicated to the vertex, segment, and spline. From there, we can go into the compound objects, where we will learn scatter, conform, the blob mesh, shape merge, terrain, and loft. And then we can dive into the Pro Cutter, Boolean, and the Pro Boolean functions. We will learn all the modifiers that we use for the Edit Poly mode, as well as the Edit Spline mode for the Arch Viz industry. We will learn how to link objects inside 3D Max. We will learn how to do importing properly. The Max FX toolbar has its very own lesson as well. From there, we'll discuss how to master axis constraints, the Xform functions, scripts and plugins, which ones we use, and of course, how to install them. Using Xref in 3D Max is very important. We have lessons on that. And then finally, we will have a lesson on understanding how to read an AutoCAD plan. From this moment, in your final set of lessons, we will use every single piece of knowledge that we have learned, and we will model a full interior and exterior home for you to use for any future renders or portfolio pieces. And as a bonus to my comprehensive 3D Max course, you get me as your mentor and your guide. I will be available in a private Discord channel that is for students only, where I am available to help you, guide you, and speed up your process and boost your career. No more Googling. If you have a problem or an issue, you contact me on the Discord, where it will be filled with other students. We will collaborate and discuss and learn 3D together. So if you're ready to take your very first step to becoming a great 3D Max user and a great Arch Viz artist, then join my course. You will not regret it. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, show some love. By subscribing to this channel, you'll gain access to some really awesome and exciting content. I'm going to dedicate this channel to learning Arch Viz, especially for the beginners. Get ready for an array of brand new courses that will cover everything from Corona, V-Ray, Photoshop, Forest Pack, Rail Clone, and even the Unreal Engine. This channel is going to be your ultimate learning hub for all things Arch Viz. So make sure to subscribe on the website, follow me on Facebook, Instagram to stay in the loop with the latest courses. Thank you for your support, and I want to wish you a happy rendering.